retired from the Army Medical Corps and came to Trivandrum in 2010. And during this period, we found the electricity bill almost 10 to 12,000 rupees every 2 months. Average in a year, it used to cost about 72 to 1 lakh. If the children came and AC all functioning, the bill used to go up. So the only way to bring it down was to change over to some other alternative renewable energy like solar. Finally, we locked down to Cameron, where Tanu came and gave a presentation about this whole, how much will it be, what is the area available. So we took him up to our terrace, which you have a big house. So he said that he could put almost 10 kV, both the ACs in both the rooms and first floor and ground floor. He said minimum you should have 10 kV, then it will be beneficial. Finally installed the thing, and we are very happy with the services and the production of electricity. It comes to almost each of those panels, first floor and ground floor, having two of them 5 kV, and they're generating almost like 20 units per day, both of them. So it comes to almost 1200, and more than what we consume, balance goes to the grid in the Kerala Electricity Board. So what we are now paying for the last 3 years almost rather is about 100 rupees and 90 rupees in both the bills. So we are saving almost 1 lakh every year. So I would strongly recommend switch over to solar, and you can always contact Mr. Tanu through Cameron. Nowadays there are many vendors. His service is absolutely good. We have had no problem for the last 3 years, and every year they do the minimum maintenance required. Fully satisfied. Thank you.